me. I'm yours, I'm yours, I'm yours. So send me out with your fire. Send me out with your flame. I will bring the revival. I will go in Jesus' name. Come on now.
Pwede po bang magbahagi ng salita ng Diyos sa inyo?
Magbabahagi lang po ng salita ng Diyos. Wala kaming hihingin na kahit ano.
Po sana namin magbahagi sa inyo ng salita ng Diyos.
Bibigyan niya tayo ng panibagong buhay.
Na dapat tayo po yung mamatay. Pero ibinigay niya po yung kanyang kaisa-isang anak para sa ating mga kasalanan.
Bagong buhay, bagong puso, malinis sa kanya pong harapan.
I will be a living witness of the things I've seen and heard. Make disciples of the nations of the world. In Jesus' name I'll serve. So send me out with your fire. Send me out with your flame. I will be the revival. I will go in Jesus' name. Oh, come on! I will go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I believe in the gospel. I believe it's the power of God to save. I believe in forgiveness. And I believe that your blood still works. And I believe in the Bible and every word it says. I believe in every word it says. I believe that you're risen.
Tinatanggap kita ngayon
Coming back, you
sa aking puso
aking puso
bilang aking Panginoon
bilang aking Panginoon
at sariling tagapagligtas.
at tagapagligtas.